All right, you ready? What are we doing? You want me to go first? Let me go first so I can film. Well, you stopped in the middle of the road. You all right? You got it. What's wrong? Oh, fuck. What's wrong here? Oh, Tim dumped it. This looks like fun. Oh, this looks like fun. Hold on.
Hold on. Let's see if we can stand this up. Ready?
Do it.
Okay. Go.
I'm trying my arm spin.
Yep. Hold on.
All right. Come on, you're not riding your own bike through there? Nice job. Nice job. Except for you didn't make him ride it. You know what they call that?
Weak. Very weak.
Easy, Tiger. Oh, that was fun. All right, let's see what this is to get us into. Dustin, did you want to go in front? Well, no, one of us needs a sweep because of the comms. I mean, I guess if you want to go first, you can. I'll just wait down here for you. Oh, I'm sure. Oh, fuck. Whew. Oh, this is fun. Oh yeah, this is good stuff back in here. Fuck.
Driving like a crazy person.
Yeah, I'm fine. He fucking came flying around that motherfucker. Yeah, I'm good. Thanks.
Man, I'm trying to dodge that moto.
I understand. Trust me, I get it. Hey. Oh my God. I thought he was going to fucking, I thought for sure I was done. You can see where he locked it up right there. He said he didn't want to go through the mud hole. That's what those fuckers are made for, man. Oh, shit. Whew. Well, that was fun. I said that was fun. He was kind of a dick at the end, too. Well, that'll get you. Oh, that'll get your heart pumping. See a freaking side-by-side come zipping around the corner.